It's 2022, and the world is a different place. The internet has become the primary source of income for many people. There are countless ways to make money online, and it can be hard to know where to start. If you're looking to make money online, there are a few things you should know. First, there are many ways to make money online. You can start a blog, create a website, or sell products and services online. There are also a number of ways to make money through affiliate marketing, which is when you promote products and services for other companies and earn a commission on every sale. Second, it's important to create a website or blog that is professional and informative. This will help you attract readers and customers who are interested in what you have to say. Third, you need to be patient and consistent when you're trying to make money online. It takes time to build up a following and to start earning an income. Don't give up if you don't see results immediately. Finally, there are a number of free ways to make money online. You can start a blog and use it to sell products and services. You can also join affiliate marketing programs and promote products and services for other companies. If you're looking to make money online, there are many opportunities available. Just be sure to do your research, create a professional website or blog, and be patient and consistent. With a little effort, you can start earning an income from the comfort of your own home. This is another great way to make money online. The idea that you can start your own business is not a new concept, but the way you do it has changed drastically. It used to be that you needed a lot of money, a piece of land, and some professional skills to set up a successful business. Today, you no longer need to have any money, a piece of land, or professional skills to be able to run a successful e-com business. Even better, you can set up an e-commerce website from anywhere in the world. Nowadays, there are many free e-commerce tools available online that anyone can use. This article aims to introduce you to the best e-commerce tools for your business. E-commerce tools are just tools that help you run your business. You can choose which one you want to use based on your convenience, needs, and skill level. You can get e-commerce tools for any type of business. If you are interested in making money online, then you might also consider using online marketing tools to promote your online store. If you want to make money online, you might think that you have to know how to create your own products or services. The truth is that you don't need to know how to do this in order to make money online. You can make money by helping others to make money online. You can also make money by selling products online. The secret is knowing how. You can learn how to make money online by getting a free online course. The free online course will teach you everything that you need to know about making money online. There are no setup fees or hidden charges for this course. In fact, it is completely free. So take advantage of this great opportunity to learn how to make money online.